I'm going to show you how to cook asparagus. Traditionally, you're always told to blanch asparagus, which basically means cook it in boiling salted water until done, drain it, and then serve it. The asparagus, by doing that, leaks a lot of the flavour into the water, the heat bursting the cell walls and those small molecules that are so valuable disappearing. So what I'm going to do is actually cook it in fat. I'm going to use a mixture of butter and oil and cook it in one of these cocotte dishes. Just to show you, at the same time, I'm going to cook some asparagus in boiling water, the traditional way. So one lot of asparagus goes into water to be blanched. The other lot's cooked in butter and olive oil. I then grate in some truffle. Shame you can't smell this because it is unbelievable. Asparagus isn't the only vegetable that benefits being cooked in this manner. Carrots and courgettes work fantastically this way, far superior than just being cooked in boiling water. The most important flavour molecules in asparagus are very soluble in water. The flavour molecules leak into the water, so cook them in oil. Whereas vegetables like broccoli and green beans are the opposite. The important flavour molecules are soluble in oil and escape if you cook them in fat, so cook these in water. Now they've cooked for 10 minutes, let's take a look. The water the asparagus was blanched in the traditional way has turned green. It tastes of asparagus, but it'll go to waste because what many people now do is they pour the liquid down the sink. A complete waste of all that flavour. With the one cooked in oil and served with sliced mushroom and chervil, most of the flavour's still intact. So now to the important part, the flavour. This is the asparagus that's been cooked in the boiling water. It's very watery, very soft. There's a mild asparagus flavour there, but it really is quite insipid. Now to the one that's been cooked in the butter and oil in the covered pot. It's completely different. The texture's more dense. It's got a wonderful earthiness to it, but the asparagus flavour is still prominent. Using oil, we've got the flavour molecules to work with us, not against us. Full of flavour and easy to make at home.